Hi, I'm Marna.
And I'm Darren.
Happy May the 4th. Every year, Darren and I offer a challenge for you to bring out your Star Wars collection and show us what Star Wars items you have. Whether it be a game or Legos or dolls dressed as in Star Wars, as a couple of mine are, including Fritz the Frog. Or if it's figurines, anything at all. And the last couple years, we've been offering prizes for the video that we like best in the challenge. This year's prizes, you're going to get 2, and maybe more, are for the lightsabers. We have the 1/3 doll size as well as the 1/6 doll size. And I have these rubber band. Can you show the rubber band there or not? Not sure you can get that. See how I have that rubber band to the hand? These are not glued down in case you want to paint them. We do recommend that you glue the saber part into the handle. And we will get that out to the best, or to the video we like best. It is host choice today. Today, if you have a video, let us know in the comments. We do not want to miss one Star Wars May the 4th video. Thank everyone for watching, for participating, for liking and subscribing. Happy May the 4th, everybody. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel.